Welcome to Payroll Insights tutorial. This tutorial will help you to understand how ad hoc payments are done. In transaction module, you can find two options. One is ad hoc payment employee wise, another one is ad hoc payment head wise. Ad hoc payment employee wise is used when multiple adjustments are to be made for a specific employee, and ad hoc payment head wise is used when adjustment of the same pay head is to be done for multiple employees. Firstly, we will see ad hoc payment employee wise. An ad hoc payment employee wise form appears, and choose the employee from the employee selection tool. To change the pay rate, click over here and choose the desired pay rate. The grid below fills up with the pay head along with the amount and remarks. Amount can be adjusted to make an adjustment in the particular pay head, and remarks are optional but can be put for future reference. Now suppose if we have to adjust bonus by pay of ₹1000, so we put ₹1000 over here, and below we can see it reflects in total payment and total adjustment. Similarly, if we have to adjust incentive by a deduction of ₹500, so we put -500 over here, and it gets reflected in total recovered and total adjustment. This is all that would be necessary to make an adjustment. However, one may need to adjust a pay head which is not of ad hoc nature, for example, unbasic. For that purpose, we have a provision to adjust non-ad hoc nature pay heads. Check the option Show all pay heads over here. Now the list would contain all pay heads and you can make the desired adjustments. It may happen that we have lots of pay heads in the grid which may be difficult for the user to search. So you may search from the first row of the grid. And when you find your desired pay head, make the adjustment. After you have made all the desired adjustments, click on Save to save the data and close the form. Next, we move on to ad hoc payment headwise. From the selection tool, you choose the pay head for which you need to make the adjustments. Make sure you have checked Edit Record option in order to make new adjustment. Then from the drop-down list, choose the desired employee, and in the amount field, enter desired amount. You may add as many employees as you want from the drop-down list, one after the other. Or use the alternate search option which is available just next to the drop-down list. This search option allows you to select multiple employees at a time in an easier manner. Rest of the process goes same. Thanks for watching Payroll Insights tutorials.